Luster Light.
Do you want to dance?
Flashing Light. Electrolyte. Like electrolytes? After I've got my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Milk down as my base, I'm then coming in with Sanddollar from LiQWYD as my transition shade. Next up, with ColourPop's Seize the Day, I'm adding that into my crease. I'm adding Razzie again by ColourPop into my inner and outer corners and then blending that out. Once again with Seize the Day. Do be a little bit careful with this color because it is very dusty. Got quite a bit of kickback. To cut my crease, I'm coming in with the ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Fair 00, which is just a white. In the middle for the base, I'm adding Silver Lining, again by ColourPop. As for the actual eye toppers, I'm coming in with Prismatic Light. I'm adding that over top of Silver Lining. Blending it out with my finger. Now to do the cut crease aspect of it, I'm coming in with both Luster Light and Starlight. Luster Light first and Starlight just as almost a topper slightly. A topper to the topper. Wait for that to dry. Lining my waterline with NYX's Purple Blaze. Coming back in with that first color that we started out with. For my inner corner, I'm coming in with Beaming Light.